I'm interested in how this voice could generate the space in which the audience would be a part of as well. So I think it's very close to the idea of an environment you could somehow place yourself in and develop a sense of space with the sort of acoustics of the space itself. But at the same time, I think the work is very much influenced by the notion of radio, like how this mainly obsolete form today, really is sort of the genesis of mass communication, which then, leads on to this possibility of somehow having a kind of consensual identity or a process of a consensual dreaming of sorts.